Amanda. You know, my last video was at Genoa, and I am here to show you my room. I'm not telling you where I'm living, the state and the city, or like in the United States. Okay, I'm living in the United States. Yeah, that's fine. But I am going to show you all my posters. So, hope you like them. I'm going to show you. Selena Gomez. Puppies. See, there's that one. So cute. There's that one. There's that one. And there's that one. And there's that one. And there's that one. And then there's that one. And that one. And that one. And that one. And those two. And that one. And that one. And that one. Well, here is my favorite. How do we look? I mean, don't you just look perfect? Hi there. Justin Bieber. Love him! And then I have, oh, this big Emmett thing, you know, from Twilight. So, I hope you love my posters. And that's all for today. Amanda loves the stars. Or Amanda 4444441. Just a little faucet,